Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today we're going to see how we can split images in Global Mapper and reduce the size of images or rasters significantly by using the EFW format. Flipping rasters in Global Mapper is easier than other softwares like AutoCAD, ArcGIS, or Adobe Imagine. First, I'm going to add the image or the raster file. So here is my raster file. Now let's say I need to complete the certain portion in this area. To do that, I'll have to create a polygon feature there in the Global Mapper. Then based on that polygon feature, I'm going to play the raster. So to create the polygon feature, I'm then to have to enable the digitizer tool from here. Then I'm going to select create the EF feature. Now the digitizer mode is enabled. Let's create a polygon feature. When done, I'll have to select on the right mouse button. Then I have to give a name, the feature type, and then leave that as it is. And then on the feature year, select on the user created feature. Then leave everything else as it is. Then click on OK. Now my polygon feature is created. This is my area of interest. I'm going to pit the raster based on this boundary. Okay. Let's change the fill color of that feature. Both options, AS style, and select style. The outline width should be 2, so that it can be recognized easily. And then let's change the outline color to yellow, which is easier to recognize. And tree pattern should be nothing. Okay? Okay. Now this is my area of interest. I'm going to set the raster now. To do that, I right click on the raster file and go to Layer, then Export. Select on the specific raster that you want to click and deselect everything else. Then OK. Select on ECW. Now here ECW is actually Onyx from Adobe Imagine software. It has enhanced compression wavelength, which is actually used for reducing the size of the raster file significantly, even retaining the actual quality, okay? Then here, all you have our image resolution. We can change it from here if you want. We can change it from here. You don't need change it right now. Then we have target compression ratio, which is actually responsible for image size. By default, it's changed to 1. We can change it and we can increase it and decrease it. If we increase it, the quality of image won't be decreased. And if we decrease this one, for example, if I keep it to 1:1, then the quality of the image will be much better. Let's change it to 10:1. Options to create 4 or 5 additional files if we required. We don't need to now create additional files from there. Just we have to move on to the important part, that is the export bound. From this tab, I'm going to select on the crop to select the feature. Okay. But right now this is disabled because I didn't select any polygon feature from here. So first of all, let's deselect the create a feature and then select the polygon feature from here. Then go to the raster file layer and then export. Okay. And from export bound, now we have this option enabled. We can export with raster. It will be complicated in a short time. Okay, raster had been created successfully. Let's turn this off, turn off this layer. Considering the size of the file, which is just 5 megabyte, quality of the raster is actually acceptable. It's actually better. So this is how you can flip a raster file, the large file, and make it a smaller one. Okay, see you on the next one.